Hey there traders, welcome to another market update video. Today is the 9th of March, of April 2021, and we're going to jump straight into it on Bitcoin here. Let's talk about the daily chart first. So yesterday we tried to take a short position from this level right here. After breaking below this previous swing low, closing below the 21 exponential, I was expecting another move back down, just like we've seen in the history of Bitcoin. Closing with volume below the 21 exponential, we usually see a little bit more of a tumble to the downside. So Bitcoin recovering like this above the 21 exponential does make me again medium term bullish, looking for a pullback here, perhaps an opportunity to go long. I'd be waiting patiently for this one to break above 58,073 on a 4-hour chart. That's going to line up with this previous level of structure. Let me just put it in for you guys. So we've got this lovely little liquid zone. So if Bitcoin can close 4-hour candles above this liquid zone, I'd be going long on this one, looking for another extension back up to the very least around $59,290, somewhere around this range, short term, medium term. To the same token, if Bitcoin does take out the 21 exponential again around this level, around 56,575, that's when I'm going to start looking for Bitcoin to make its way much lower, essentially breaking below the 200 simple moving average and the 200 exponential moving average. That's when I'll get super bearish on this one, looking for an extension back down to around $52,500, somewhere around those parts. Okay, Ethereum rejecting around this previous level of structure. I would be looking at this one if it comes back down to around about 2025 as a buy opportunity. So I'll keep an eye on that one today. Definitely looking for this one to take another bounce, breaking below this structure level, coming back up with some decent volume backed by it. Does make me feel a little bit more bullish around this chart. Perhaps a bounce from these parts throughout the next couple of days. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash looking okay here. I think if we can get a pullback to around $600, that's probably going to be one of the best areas to go long. We've already pulled back to that area, but I would like another sweep of these lows, come and stop out some of these stop losses, reject, be supported, and then continue higher. That's what I'll be looking for Bitcoin Cash. Litecoin, neutral here. I think this is an obvious trade. Any kind of break below 217 would be a short opportunity. Excuse me, anything below 210 would be a short opportunity. Anything above 227 would be a long opportunity for Litecoin. Looking for a sweep back up to the highs around 241. Chainlink holding support here on this level of structure. We did get our rejection from this previous liquid zone. This is going to be very interesting. I would say any kind of break above 33.37, I would be looking for an extension back up to $35. I wouldn't be looking to short this one unless we do break below $30, below this previous pivot right here. Then I would expect extensions back down to $28 for Chainlink. Uniswap more or less still neutral here. We did have a little bit of a push higher after yesterday, breaking above this level of structure again. Currently testing around the 200 simple moving average. I would remain a little bit more cautious on this one. I would wait for a break above 30.71 for a trade to the next obvious high around 31.58, 31.60, somewhere around there. BNB is on a run here. I'm still waiting for a pullback on BNB, to be quite honest. I would like to buy this one somewhere around this previous level of structure that you can see right here. On the daily chart, this was the previous all-time high. I would like to see one more push to the downside here and then get scooped up for BNB. So any kind of move back down to around the 55 exponential on BNB around 357 is going to be a long opportunity in my opinion. And then Monero. Monero came to that level that I spoke about yesterday, currently did see that bounce. But this is a very risky level for me to trade in my opinion. I'd be waiting now for another close above this previous swing high or another close below this previous swing low before I take any more trades. If we do get that close below the swing low, I would look for an extension back down to 235. If we can close above this, the next extension would be around $300 per Monero. And then Neo looking more or less neutral here, really. I would like a pullback back into this green zone, this liquid zone right here, around $57.10. I think that's going to be a pretty good buy opportunity if we can make it back down there, or if we close any kind of 4-hour candles above $64, let's call it that. I'd be looking for an extension back up to around $68. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.